Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to do countable and uncountable nouns. We will understand what are countable and uncountable nouns. In the previous video, we learnt about nouns. We understood that nouns are naming words. They can be proper, common, collective, abstract and material nouns. In this video, we will learn about another classification of nouns, that is countable and uncountable nouns. So let's understand what are countable nouns. Countable nouns are the nouns that can be counted in numbers. There are nouns which we can count in numbers. We can use numbers for them like 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, right? We can use numbers for these nouns. They are called countable nouns. Let us see some examples of countable nouns and we will understand how we can use numbers with these nouns. The examples of countable nouns are pen, flower, house, book, students, rupee or any currency like dollar or pound. You can take any currency also. So we can use numbers with these nouns and these are known as countable nouns. We can say I have 2 pens or I can see 5 flowers on the plant. There are some houses or there are 10 houses in our locality. I have got 5 books. There are 40 students in my class. Right? I have 100 rupees. Hair, stars and leaves. These are also known as countable nouns. But do you know? Whenever I ask this question in my class, whenever I ask the students to give some examples of uncountable nouns, every time they say hair, stars, leaves, these are uncountable nouns. But these are not uncountable nouns. These are also examples of countable nouns. Hair, stars, leaves. These are innumerable. We cannot count them because these are innumerable. Not because they are uncountable, but they are innumerable. They are many in number. Millions and billions of stars are there in the sky, so we cannot count them. Similarly, the hair on the scalp, we cannot count them because they are innumerable, right? So we call them countable, not uncountable. So hair, stars, leaves, these are countable nouns, not uncountable nouns. We will understand what are uncountable nouns now. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted. So countable, which we can count in number, uncountable, which we cannot count in number. The examples of uncountable nouns are sunlight, honesty, air, dust, paper, work, gold, money, water, tea, coffee, etc. These are some examples of uncountable nouns because these cannot be counted. We cannot use a number in front of these nouns. We cannot say 2 sunlight or 1 honesty or 5 air or 10 dust. No, dust particles can be. Dust particles can come under the countable topic, but dust cannot be counted. Similarly, paper, work, all the abstract nouns and material nouns, they come under the category of uncountable nouns. We cannot count. We cannot say give me a tea or give me a coffee. No, give me a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. Okay, so these are all uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the nouns which we cannot count in number. We cannot use number in front of these nouns. That is the reason they are known as uncountable nouns. Now the question comes, why do we need to understand uncountable nouns? What is the use of understanding countable or uncountable nouns? Why do we need to learn or understand that these are countable or these are uncountable nouns? What is the use of knowing about these? See, there are some words like many, much, few, little, all. These are some words which we use according to the nouns. Whether they are countable or uncountable, we have to use according to that. According to the nouns, we use these words. For example, if you go to a shop, you want to buy an item and you want to know its price. So you can say, what is its price? Simply you can ask, what is its price? How much does it cost? Or you can say, how many rupees do I have to pay? Or how much money do I need to pay? If you are using the word money, you have to use much. If you are using the word rupees, you have to use many. This is the reason we have to use, we must know countable and uncountable nouns. We have to use according to the nouns. These words, many, much, few, little. Okay, we use these according to the nouns. We can say there is little water left in the bottle. There is much water left in the bottle, or little water. These are also the words that are used according to the countable or uncountable nouns. Similarly, the word all the money, all the students. See, money and students, these are different words. Money is uncountable, so we use was. Let's recap. Countable nouns can be counted in number. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted in number. They are considered as singular. Okay. So this was my video on countable and uncountable nouns. Thank you.